Record ka na.
Our final project for CSAC 329 Applied Cryptography. Uh, Cryptography application designed to enhance data security. So our project implements symmetric encryption, asymmetric encryption like RSA and AES, and hashing functions to protect text and files. Specifically, we have incorporated the following algorithms. And additionally, our application supports both and file encryption modes, allowing users to securely encrypt, decrypt, and hash message as well as digital files. Using standard cryptographic libraries alongside a user-friendly interface, we demonstrate how encryption safeguards information. This project, we aim to showcase practical application of cryptography and how different algorithms contribute to modern security systems. So Aaron will show and demonstrate the code.
Okay, thank you, Angela. And now, as you can see, we are here in the Visual Studio Code. But before I discuss this, uh, in the application architecture and UI, first, backend, we utilize Python Flask, a lightweight web framework for server-side logic. Next, for front end, we employ HTML and Bootstrap for a responsive design and layout. Session management, we use Flask session to keep track of user-specific data like keys and chat history. And lastly, in the UI design, we features a tab interface to separate crypto tools from secure chat functionalities to enhance user experience. So now here, this is the crypto app that we made. Inside the folder, we have the cryptography algorithm, which is the symmetric hash function and symmetric. Next is the static, and for the templates here, you can see the home.html wherein andito yung yung sa UI design ng application. Next is the app.py. This is where kumbaga, yung pinaka-center ng buong application. And for the readme.md, you can also access this in our GitHub repository. So you can also run the code. Andyan lahat ng instruction. And lastly is the requirements .txt. In the requirements.txt, it is um, parang used in order to run the app. So let us now test the app. While I will run the app, Jester will explain. So first, follow the link. So now Jester will present on how to use this cryptographic application.
So in our cryptographic application, there are two modes that you can use, the crypto tools and the secure chat protocol. We will focus on the crypto tools. For example, in the AES encrypt, you can choose two modes, which is in text or in file. Um, we will test if file uploading will work on this. So we chose a TXT file and we process it and we will download the results. In downloading the results, which is the test.txt, we will open the file, and as we open it, it contains this encryption. We will now decrypt it using the same, choosing the file and choose the test.txt. and we will process it, and we will download again the results. And here is the downloaded result of the decryption. So it works. Then next is the RSA encrypt. We will choose text to encrypt. So we'll input the text example text. Next, here's the hash, the encryption. Then we will copy that encryption and put it in the input text, and we will choose RSA decrypt. We will process it, and as you can see, the output is correct. So that
So,
is all for the AES and the RSA encrypt.
okay, so thank you, Jester. And also, we have other algorithms, the SHA-256 hash and SHA-512 hash. And next is we also develop secure chat protocol. In this tab, here is the instruction for the user on how to use the secure chat protocol. Also, a public key was here in order to user to give it to its recipient, and he or she message the his recipient through encrypted messages. So that is one of our um, function in the cryptographic application. And I think that would be all. And thank you. Also in addition, you can also access this application into Python Anywhere that is provided in our readme that file in the GitHub repository. Just find it there and access it in the Python Anywhere with the link. So again, once and for all, thank you. Okay na, Jella. Okay na.